Have you ever wondered why millions of Indians across the globe celebrate the festival of Makar Sankranti with such enthusiasm and fervor? This festival, deeply rooted in the heart of Indian culture, marks a significant celestial event. It is the time when the sun transitions into the zodiac sign of Makara, better known to us as Capricorn. Across the vast expanse of India, Makar Sankranti takes on diverse forms and traditions. In the vibrant state of Gujarat, it's a time for grand kite-flying festivals. Meanwhile, in the verdant fields of Punjab, bonfires and folk dances celebrate the winter harvest. Down south in Tamil Nadu, the festival, known as pongal, is marked by boiling rice in a clay pot to symbolize abundance and prosperity. Each region has its unique way of honoring this celestial event, but the underlying thread remains the same. But ever pondered what makes Makar Sankranti so special? It's not just about the festivities, but a fascinating science that's woven into it. Makar Sankranti isn't just a cultural marvel, it's also a celestial phenomenon. Now let's dive into the science behind this fascinating festival. At its heart, Makar Sankranti is a solar event intricately tied to the movements of our beloved star, the Sun. To understand this, we need to first grasp the basics of the Earth's tilt and its elliptical orbit around the Sun. Our planet doesn't stand up straight. Instead, it's tilted at an angle of about 23.5 degrees. This tilt, combined with the Earth's elliptical orbit, results in an apparent northward and southward movement of the Sun throughout the year. Now, let's talk about solstices and equinoxes, which are essentially milestones in this annual solar journey. The solstices mark the points when the Sun is at its greatest distance from the celestial equator, while the equinoxes are when day and night are of equal length. Makar Sankranti, interestingly, marks the winter solstice in the northern hemisphere. This is when the Sun begins its northward journey, or Uttarayan, marking the transition from the month of Pausha to Magha according to the Hindu calendar. The term Makar Sankranti itself means the transit of the Sun into the zodiac sign of Capricorn or Makara, which is a key aspect of this celestial event. This shift in the Sun's position significantly affects the length of day and night. Around the time of Makar Sankranti, the days start to get longer and the nights shorter. This change is not just symbolic of a new beginning, but also has practical implications. The longer days mean more sunlight, leading to warmer weather, which is crucial for the growth of winter crops. So, when we celebrate Makar Sankranti, we're essentially celebrating this astronomical event. We're acknowledging the Sun's northward journey, welcoming the longer days, and expressing gratitude for the warmth and sustenance it provides. From a scientific perspective, Makar Sankranti is truly a celebration of the intricate dance between our Earth and the Sun. The science behind Makar Sankranti doesn't just stop at the movement of celestial bodies. It has far-reaching implications that directly touch our everyday lives. As the Sun changes its position, it triggers a shift in the climate, bidding farewell to the cold winter and welcoming the onset of longer, warmer days. This shift is not just a trivial change in the weather. It plays a critical role in shaping the rhythms of agriculture, a lifeline for millions across India. This is the period when crops, nurtured for months, are ready for harvest. The golden fields of wheat, the ripe sugarcane, are all symbols of nature's bounty, a reward for the farmer's toil and patience. The festival thus becomes a grand celebration of this agricultural triumph, a time to express gratitude for the harvest, and a moment to honor the cosmic dance that makes it all possible. So, Makar Sankranti is a celebration of nature's bounty, driven by the science of our very universe. In essence, the excitement around Makar Sankranti is as much about science as it is about tradition. Over the course of our discussion, we've unraveled the scientific reasoning behind this vibrant festival. The timing of Makar Sankranti isn't arbitrary, but rather is dictated by the position of the Sun. It marks an important transition in the solar calendar, signifying the sun's shift from the Tropic of Capricorn to the Tropic of Cancer. This celestial event has significant implications for our climate and agricultural practices. The arrival of warmer days and the beginning of the harvest season are all tied to this astronomical occurrence. So, it's not just about flying kites and sharing sweets, but a celebration of the rhythms of nature and our place within them. Next time you witness the joyous celebrations of Makar Sankranti, remember, it's not just a festival, it's a beautiful blend of culture and science. And if you're curious about more such fascinating aspects of Indian culture, do check out our video on scientific reasons why Indians celebrate Diwali.